Alrighty, so here is a quick little rundown of how I made my histogram. So I copied the data from this worksheet. So I just highlighted the column and I copied it. And then I'm going to pop over to my Google Sheet and I'm going to paste the data in, including in row 1 test scores, because that's going to be my label. All right, once they're in there, I'm going to highlight all of that data, go to Insert, Chart, and it already thinks I want to do a histogram. So what you want to do is, if it's not at a histogram, just click on chart type. You can scroll down, and histogram is typically one of the ones at the bottom. Okay, so once you have the histogram, what we want to do is we want to go to customize. So when I go to customize, the second one down is histogram. I want to click on that, and where it says bucket size, okay, I actually want to choose 5, because that is the kind of the breakdown that the paper gave you. We were supposed to go like 0 to 30, 30 to 35. So I'm going to choose 5, okay, and then get rid of that. So now on the bottom, it's not giving me the 0 to 30 or 30 to 35 because mine didn't have any. And if I have it start at 0, it's going to shift my whole histogram over. So I'm just going to leave it like this, even though this is starting at 35. For chart and axis titles, right now it says histogram of test scores. So what I might do is rename this now like histogram of Ravenclaw's test scores. So I'm giving it a more descriptive title. Okay. And then I'm going to click here where it said chart title, and I'm going to make sure my horizontal, my vertical axis. So my horizontal axis is test scores. My vertical axis is going to be frequency. Okay. And then I'm going to click on chart and axis titles again. And I here you have a label, I have a heading, and this is okay. Now, one of the things that was wonky on yours was this, and I think it's just how the data was put in. So you want to make sure that this doesn't go any higher than, let's say, 10, because this right here is the frequency. So right here it tells me from 30 to 5 to 40, I had 3 people. From 40 to 45, I had 7 people. So you want to make sure it looks like that. Okay, so hopefully this is helpful in making your histogram.